Since you have access to multiple models in the Pro version, you'll want to determine which one suits what it is that you are trying to do. One of the ways that you can do that is you can write in your prompt to the dialog box. In this case, we're going to use a semi-structured prompt by asking the chatbot to think step by step. We're going to make sure that the focus is the web focus, and we are going to use the default model. We are then going to click enter. And we will allow Perplexity to do the work and then to find the appropriate sources. We are going to copy this information. We're going to paste it into a word processing document. We are then going to add this information to an existing space. And we are going to use a follow-up question in order to rank the applications. We're then going to click enter. We're going to allow Perplexity then to do the work for us and to provide the answer. And we're going to follow with one more question on pros, cons, and pricing. We will then click enter. And we will allow Perplexity to complete its analysis. We're now going to copy our entire question, and we're going to use a new model in the next video. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in the next video.